How to create WeChat account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to install the WeChat application in your mobile device. If not, install the application from your Play Store. Once you install it, now open up the WeChat application in your mobile device. After you open up, you will get to this interface where you will have two buttons at the bottom of this interface. One is login and another one is sign up. Now to create account, you have to tap on sign up button from your right corner at the bottom. A drop down menu will pop up which will ask you if you want to sign up using your mobile number or your Facebook account. If you want to use a Facebook, tap on Facebook, follow some instructions there. Now let's create an account using a mobile number, so tap on the first option. After that, you will get to sign up page. Here, first of all, you have to provide your name. So simply tap on name and then type in your name. Under that, you have to enter the country or region that you live. After that, you have to enter your mobile number that you have access to currently. And under that, create a password. Make sure you create a password and make sure to remember that. After that, you have to accept these terms and conditions, so tap on this check mark. After that, tap on accept and continue. Once you get to this interface, make sure to go through all of this and then tap on this option that says I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy, then tap on next. Now you will get to security verification. So you have to verify. For that, tap on authenticate. Now you have to complete this puzzle. It says select all the emails that matches with cat. Once you have passed the verification, now you will get a verification code via SMS in your mobile number that you have provided currently. So simply enter the code right here. Now once you enter the verification code, tap on next. Now if you want to log in now, then tap on yes, login now, or you only want to create an account, then click on continue signing up. Here I will just log into my account. Now you have to complete this puzzle for your verification again. So simply slide this bar and then solve this puzzle. Again, tap on yes, login now. Now once I verified, it says verification required for login from new device. And for your security of your account, select one of the following methods for verification. Now you can choose this method as a verification. Here I'll go with the last option that says verify login password. Now tap on continue signing up. Then tap on got it. Then tap on next. Tap on all the agreement and then tap on done. And then tap on got it. From here, tap on next. With all the verification, now you'll be logged in with your WeChat account. So that's how you can create a WeChat account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.